In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align in GIMP. If you've ever struggled to get text or objects perfectly centered or lined up in your design, this walkthrough will make that process quick and precise. First, open your image with layers. Working with layers is key in GIMP because alignment happens per layer or object. Make sure the element you want to move, like a text label or a graphic, is on its own layer. You can confirm this in the Layers panel. If multiple things sit on a single layer, GIMP treats them as one unit, which makes accurate alignment harder. Next, choose the Align tool from the toolbox. It looks like a small box with arrows. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Q to select it, depending on your setup. This tool helps you target exactly what you want to align. Click directly on the object you want to align. When it's selected, you'll see small squares appear at its corners, confirming you've grabbed the right thing. If nothing highlights, try clicking right on the object's visible pixels, or select the correct layer first in the Layers panel. To give yourself a clear target, let's add guides. Go to the Image menu, choose Guides, then New Guide, by %. Create a vertical guide at 50%, which drops a center line from top to bottom. Do the same again for a horizontal guide at 50%. Together, these form a crosshair marking the exact center of your canvas. Guides are non-printing helpers, so they won't appear in your exported image. Now switch to the Move tool to position your object. Select the Move tool in the toolbox, then click and drag your text or graphic toward the guides. As you get close, it should snap neatly to them. If it doesn't seem to snap, zoom in for precision and check that snapping is enabled in your view settings. Drag until the object locks into place at the intersection if you want it perfectly centered, or align it to just one guide if you only need vertical or horizontal centering. That's the whole flow. Open your layered image, target your object with the Align tool so it's clearly selected, set up 50% guides to establish a visual center, and use the Move tool to drag until it snaps into perfect alignment. With this method, you'll get clean, consistent layouts every time without guesswork. Keep practicing with different layers and compositions, and alignment will quickly become one of the fastest parts of your workflow.